In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook app keeps crashing on your device. Let's get started. First, restart your phone. A simple restart often clears temporary issues. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Facebook and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. If you are using Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. Then head over to Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Next thing you want to do is check Facebook server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Facebook server status and search for it. Head over to the website Time Detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Facebook app. Press and hold on the Facebook app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for Facebook and download it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.